Welcome to Biocreative channel.
Everything, including living cells, is made of atoms, molecules and ions. These particles are always moving. The higher the temperature, the faster they move. This is because the particles have more kinetic energy at higher temperatures. The more kinetic energy they have, the faster they move. When molecules and ions are in a solution, they can move as freely as when they are liquid, and particles tend to spread themselves out as evenly as they can. This happens with gases, solutions, and mixtures of liquids. Imagine, for example, a rotten egg full of hydrogen sulfide gas in one corner of a room. Hydrogen sulfide gas is very smelly. To begin with, there is a high concentration of the gas near the egg but none in the rest of the room. The hydrogen sulfide molecules quickly spread through the air in the whole room. Soon, you cannot tell where the smell first came from. The whole room smells of rotten egg. The hydrogen sulfide molecules have spread out through the air. This spreading out is called diffusion. Diffusion happens because the molecules move randomly. They do not purposefully move from one place to another. Each molecule just moves by chance, changing direction when it bumps into another molecule. Some molecules might even go back into the rotten egg again. But, overall, the molecules spread fairly evenly across the room. We call this the net movement of the molecules. A place where a lot of the molecules are quite close together has a high concentration of molecules. In this example, the rotten egg had the highest concentration of hydrogen sulfide molecules. The rest of the room had a low concentration of hydrogen sulfide molecules. One way of thinking about this is to imagine a slope. The place with the high concentration, the rotten egg, is at the top of the slope. The place with the low concentration, the rest of the room, is at the bottom of the slope. The molecules move down the slope from where there is a high concentration to where there is a low concentration. Another word for slope is gradient. We can therefore say that there is a concentration gradient from the rotten egg to the rest of the room. The overall result of diffusion is that the hydrogen sulfide molecules move down this concentration gradient.
Diffusion in living organisms. Living organisms get many of the substances they need by diffusion. They also get rid of many of their waste products in this way. For example, plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. This diffuses from the air into the leaves, through the stomata. It does this because there is a lower concentration of carbon dioxide inside the leaf, as the cells are using it up. Outside the leaf in the air, there is a higher concentration. Carbon dioxide molecules therefore diffuse into the leaf, as a result of their random movement, down this concentration gradient. Oxygen, which is a waste product of photosynthesis, diffuses out in the same way. There is a higher concentration of oxygen inside the leaf, because it is being made there. Oxygen therefore diffuses out through the stomata into the air. Diffusion is also important in gas exchange for respiration in animals and plants. Cell membranes are freely permeable to oxygen and carbon dioxide, so these gases easily diffuse into and out of cells.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more videos.